This is how to contact Hopper customer service. So first, the most easiest way to contact their customer service is to go ahead and open Google Chrome on your mobile device. Then after you open Google Chrome, simply tap on search and type in Hopper customer service. Then after you search, you'll see contact support, which shows up on the very first. Simply tap on it and it will open a new link. So from here, simply tap on contact us and contact us. Scroll down, you will see their number and different languages, which will help you to contact them. So it is that easy. This is how you can contact the Hopper's customer service. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.